The specifics, what happens when we switch from open bar to what we're gonna call look at that, is that we're actually marking the moment our dog looks at the trigger, and that's what's causing the food. So when we're doing open bar, the trigger is what's causing the food. Now we're saying you looking at it is what's causing the food. So I'm suggesting to my dog that their behavior is what's causing the treat to happen, and therefore I mark it. So I'm gonna present my novel object, yes. So she looks at it, I mark the look, she gets one treat, it goes away. Yes. So the criteria here is she's gotta look at my object. Yes. We've done a lot of eye contact, so she is thinking this is an eye contact exercise, so she's choosing to look at me. And I'm just gonna go ahead and vary where the object shows up. I'm gonna do this anyway, just to make sure my dog understands what's going on. Yes. So she doesn't have to do anything, no postures. Yes. Seems to be easier for her to look at the tape when it's in my left hand. Yes. I'm gonna switch it up again. Yes. Yes. So I'm not paying for eye contact, I'm waiting for her to look. Yes. And remember, the object goes away in between looks. Yes. And the rate of pay is 1 look per yes per reinforcement. Yes. Good job, kiddo. So we are switching to operant behavior. The dog needs to look at the trigger, and that causes the mark and reinforcement. The rate of pay is 1 look equals 1 reward. And so you could be in a situation where your dog looks, you mark reward, your dog looks, you mark reward, your dog looks. If it's stable because you've got enough distance and everybody's comfortable, you could do that multiple times. Chances are you might want to take advantage of 1 look, mark and reinforce it, and then move into some extraction, right? So you can feed to your dog's mouth, you can feed to the ground. The added benefit to feeding to the ground is we get the head drop, which gets our dogs off the environment, eyes off the environment for potentially a little bit longer. We also get that benefit of lowering arousal, but either way. But now we are noticing and marking and reinforcing an actual behavior. We're thinking of it now as a voluntary behavior.